Every week, we send a company president undercover to learn what's really happening in their industry. This is Undercover President. This week on Undercover President, Glenn Voldebredt, the president and CEO of St. Lawrence College, is going undercover as a new hire to get a first-hand look at the careers of 3 St. Lawrence College graduates.
I'm going undercover as Len Gollebredt. Do you believe that? Len Gollebredt. Our alumni are going to think that I'm part of a documentary series about second career professionals. They'll never know.
The first location is a veterinary clinic where Len will be working with Anna, a graduate of Veterinary Assistant Program and General Arts and Sciences Program.
Finn and I are extremely excited to have Len in today. We're just going to start off with some of the basics like bathing, drying, a quick brush, and maybe some nails.
Oh, there we go. We look the same now? There we go.
Flip his ear. Flip that ear. Okay, you ready for a bath?
Who let the dogs out?
Today's been interesting.
Well, Anna, this has been a tough day.
I think you did wonderful today.
Really?
Yeah. I'm so happy I'm able to share the knowledge that I've learned from St. Lawrence College, and I think you're going to do great on your career path.
Thanks. What about you, Finn? How did you think I did? Great? No, you're a good boy. No.
The second workplace is at a local manufacturing company. Len will be working with Harsh, a graduate of the Supply Chain Management Program and the Project Management Program.
Hello, Len?
Oh, hey, Harsh.
I admire Len for starting his new career. I hope he likes what I planned for his first day. Speed and accuracy are so important. Can you keep up?
Okay, go.
Done! This is a schematic diagram of our new project. You need to identify the key materials from it.
I have no idea what this is.
He has no idea what that is. We should start at something simpler.
Hey, Harsh. How'd you get so good at your job?
I owe it all to amazing faculty and peers from St. Lawrence College.
St. Lawrence College, eh? I hear they're pretty great.
The last stop is the Brockville Fire Station, where Len will be working alongside Darius, a graduate of the Pre-Service Firefighter Education and Training Program.
It's always great to have a rookie at the station, and today we're going to be training them on some of the basics that firefighters need to know.
It's easier in my garden hose.
Doing great. I'm not sure where he learned some of those techniques. They definitely taught us different at St. Lawrence College. We're so proud to have so many SLC alumni here.
Hey Glenn, how's it going?
How do you think it's going? Who signed me up for this?
Coming up after this commercial break, how will the St. Lawrence College graduates react when Len reveals his true identity as the president and CEO of their alma mater?
Are you proud to be an SLC grad? Want to connect with fellow graduates? Interested in giving back to your alma mater? Looking to expand your professional network? If you answered yes to any of these, join CurrentsSLC.com. CurrentsSLC.com may result in greater connections, career advancements, meeting new people, fantastic savings, nostalgia, fun events, and a sense of community.
And now, back to Undercover President.
Darius, Anna, and Harsh have been invited to what they think is a special screening of the documentary with Len. In reality, they will be meeting with St. Lawrence College President and CEO Glenn Voldebredt.
You don't recognize me, do you? You came here to see a documentary about Len, your new workplace hire. When in reality, this video is all about you, a proud member of our St. Lawrence College alumni community. I'm Glenn Vollebrett, President and CEO of St. Lawrence College, and I went undercover to see what our students were up to post-graduation, working in their respective fields.
Really?
I knew something was up.
I knew it was Glenn the entire time.
After my experience of going undercover, you've clearly made St. Lawrence College very proud. And you're really good at what you do. So is Finn. This is actually being seen by this year's graduating class. Is there anything you'd like to say to them?
Being an SLC alumni, I learned a communication and networking skills which helps me to connect with my peers and professors, which helps me to grow in my career. I hope you take what you learned at SLC and it applies to your future.
I'm so thankful for my experience at St. Lawrence College. I'm so lucky to have met all the different teachers and peers, and they were able to help me forge my path in my career.
I know that it can feel kind of scary right now that you're graduating and getting ready for your next step, but it's going to be a great opportunity, and St. Lawrence has done a fantastic job at preparing you all for what careers you're going to be going into. Don't be afraid, the best is yet to come.